So I got a lot of DMs from most creators telling me that they couldn't download the videos they made with YouTube Studio, right? So in this new tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can generate your videos using a free AI tool. Yeah, so I would like you to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to tell you a secret that will help you generate as much videos as you want with this new tool I am about to introduce to you. So this secret is what will make a difference between what you know now and what you will get to know later. So stay put together. Let's dive into the class. So guys, the first step is to generate our story. I'm going to make use of ChatGPT to do that. Feel free to use Claude AI if you wish to. So I've already told ChatGPT my story idea. I want to tell a story of a middle-aged man who always come after a young lady. This is what we see in our everyday society, right? Especially in universities, right? So I just told ChatGPT my story idea and ChatGPT refined my story for me. So the second step, I told ChatGPT to give me image prompts for this story, the image prompt for the characters. Please pay attention because most people they ask me questions in the comment section of things that I've already explained in the video. So please pay attention. I asked ChatGPT to give me the image prompt for my characters and it did, right? So I'll paste the prompt in my Telegram channel. So if you have not joined that Telegram channel, you are missing out. You are really missing out. I'll paste the link to my Telegram channel in the description box. So after this video, you can go and join us there so that you can access the prompt. So the next step is to generate our character, right? So what we are going to do is to copy this first prompt, then we head over to Google Gemini. Feel free to use any image generator of your choice, be it Whisk AI, Flow AI, or anyone, or even Chat GPT, right? So I've pasted my prompts, and this was what I told Google Gemini. Generate an image of a so this is it. So I'll just click on this arrow and allow it do the work for me. So guys, can you see that our image is so beautiful? Like this girl is so beautiful. Like it followed my prompt. If you have been sleeping on Google Gemini when it comes to image generation, you are missing out. You are missing out, right? So what we are going to do is to long press this and click on save, and our image will be downloaded to the phone. Then we have to go back to Chat GPT, copy the second prompt, right? Go back to Google Gemini, paste it, and allow Google Gemini to generate our image for us. An image of a very good. Then I'll click on this arrow and allow Google Gemini to generate our second image. So guys, can you see that? Good. This is our second image. You will long press and save. Go back to Google Gemini, copy the third prompt, which is the last prompt for our image, and paste it. And just put generate an image of, and now click on this arrow and allow it generate our third image. So guys, now that you have our images downloaded, the next step is to tell ChatGPT to give us our dialogue script, and ChatGPT has given it to me, right? So what I have to do is to go over to the app I want to show you people now, the app we are going to use to generate our video. And the app we are going to use to generate our video is called Digen AI. You can access it through your Chrome browser, or you can access it through your Play Store if you want to download it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna be using the Chrome browser. All right, so I'll just come over to this place and type Digen AI. You tap on it. So guys, pay attention. This particular place, the first icon here, you tap on it. So if you are using the Chrome browser, make sure you sign up with your Google account or your email account, right? So this particular app gives free credit every single day. Yes, it does. Then what we have to do is to click on this plus sign here and import that image that ChatGPT gave us. So guys, Now that we have imported our image, we have to go to ChatGPT to copy our dialogue script, things we want them to say. So here is the first one. Since it's 5 seconds, right? We just copy from here to this place. So guys, pay attention. This is where the mathematics is, right? So I pasted the script, the dialogue script. Then I said, Mr. Peter, in bracket, I said, the man says, Jen, I have been looking for you. Then Jen, I put in brackets, the lady says, good evening, sir. Are you getting me? Make sure you specify it, else you won't get the right video. You won't get it. Your video will just be scattered. Then we now have to click on this arrow and allow it to generate. Normally it takes just 2 minutes, so you have to exercise patience. So our video is ready. Let me play it for you guys.
Jane, I have been looking for you.
Good evening, sir.
Jane, I have been looking for you.
Good evening, sir.
Can you see that? This is it. So what we have to do is to click on this download button and download it. And of course, since you are using the free version, we are going to download with the watermark. Another way to download the video is to long press it. Then you click on download video, and voila, your video will now be downloaded into your device. Then let's go and prompt the second one for our video. So for the second dialogue, I said, Mr. Peter, the man steps closer and says, forget the formalities, I need us to talk about us. Jane, in brackets, the lady says, there is no us, sir, you're a married man. This is it. So we have to click on this arrow and allow it generate our second video for us. So here is a secret I promised to tell you guys at the beginning of this tutorial. The secret is when you have exhausted your credit for the day, you can switch to another email and continue generating your video. That means you have to have close to 3 or 4 emails, so you can actually make use of this particular app. When you exhaust your credit, you can switch to another email and continue generating. That's if you want to generate long videos. So, but if you can't go through the stress of generating 5 seconds videos every single time, you can consider subscribing to their pro version. You can consider subscribing, right? One thing with AI content creation is that you need to keep money aside for it. In as much as most of these apps have their free version, you need to keep money for the pro version. That is if you want to make it your business, if you want to commercialize AI content creation. Using free version or depending on free version would not take you far. You have to keep money apart for your pro version. That's if you want to commercialize it. So for now, what we are making use of is what the free version. Once you start earning from your content creation, you do well to subscribe to the pro version. That is the only way you can go far when it comes to AI content creation. So it's time to edit our videos. So we're going to make use of CapCut for the editing. So I'll just go to my CapCut. We all know what CapCut is now, but I believe that most of us have these apps in our phones and our devices. So we just click on new project and import our videos. So guys, I promise to teach you people how to remove watermark when you use Digen AI to generate your video. All you have to do is to click on the video, then zoom it. Do you see what I did? Zoom it so that this watermark will no longer be showing. Do you get? So that's it. Then we now have to edit more, like add contrast, brightness, all those things that will make our videos pop. So just feel free to play around with your CapCut. You can increase it. Let's just say for sharpness, let me increase it to 35 to give it that professional look, right? To give it that sharp look. So for brilliance, maybe let me decrease it. Yes, so that's it. That's how you just do for all the clips. And you can add your text if you want to. Just play around with it. So guys, with this, let me play the final result for you people.
Jane, I have been looking for you.
Good evening, sir.
There can be. I haven't stopped thinking about you. You're different, young, beautiful, full of life.
Sir, you're married.
That small girl, she thinks she's smart. You think you could take my husband from me? Me? Laughs bitterly.
Okay. Before I forget, please learn how to add watermark to your videos. This will save you from dealing with people that want to steal your content. Most of us, I see you people, you just make videos like that, you don't add watermark. People will just come to your page, see your videos and run away and be making money with it. That's ignorance and that's the height of it, right? So to add watermark, simply go to your text. Here you click add text. Then let me just say, since my brand name is Your YouTube Big Sister, as you all know, yeah, so this is it. This is my watermark. So what I have to do is to go to styles. When I go to style, I choose any one I want, any style I want, right? Any one of my choice. Then what I have to do is to go to opacity and reduce it so that it will not interfere too much with my picture or my video. So to find opacity, you have to go up. Yes, this place. Then you just go down. Do you see what I did? Go down. You can reduce it. Let me just leave it at 20. Yes, let me leave it at 20. So you see, we have inserted our watermark. What we have to do is to tap on it and make sure you extend it to the end of this video here. So with that, your video is safe. No one can steal your video with this. If you have watched up to this extent, do well to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you do not miss out on any video whenever it is dropped on this channel, and also comment on the next tutorial you want to see on this channel. I am available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. If you want to know how to monetize this content, if you want to know how this faceless content or YouTube automation actually works, do well to reach out to me through the email showing in my description box, and I will do well to respond as soon as possible. So until I come your way next time, stay safe and bye bye.
Jane, I have been looking for you.
Good evening, sir.
There can be. I haven't stopped thinking about you. You're different, young, beautiful, full of life.
Sir, you're married. That small girl, she thinks she's smart. You think you could take my husband from me? Me? Laughs bitterly.